Just came home from work. And you know, my baby, just like that all the time. Even when I go to toilet, he will always with me. Oh my God. He will always with me. See, don't like camera. I love you, baby. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy na naman. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy nga naman, Joe. Hi. Hi, everyone. I love you, Mamang. I am Leo, and I love my Mamang. I love my Mamang? You love Mommy? You love Mommy or no? Hi, everyone. I love my Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy here. Kiss Mommy. Here. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mama. Please. I like your kiss, please. Give me kiss here. Like this. Ay. Kiss me here. Mama. Need some kiss from Leo. I love you, Leo. I love you, Leo ng mama. Kiss mama. At tinibusahin na. At tinibusa ni mamang. Kiss mama. Look what he did. Just folding my hair, just like that every time. See my video. No, no, baby, no, no, no. When Mama said no, no, I said no. Kiss Mama, kiss Mama, kiss Mama, kiss Mama, kiss Mommy. He's annoying me every time. Hold on. He's annoying me every time because I forced him to kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Ah? No? Goodbye. 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 Thanks for watching us. See you on next video. Bye-bye.